Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most spectacular homes across the United States. Today, we invite you to experience pure luxury and oceanfront perfection at 1840 South Highway A1A, Vero Beach, Florida, a breathtaking modern estate presented by the O'Dare Boga Group with One Sotheby's International Realty. This extraordinary oceanfront residence is not just a home, it's a world-class masterpiece that defines coastal elegance, comfort, and sophistication. As the drone view rises above the turquoise waters of Florida's Treasure Coast, the full scale of this incredible mansion begins to unfold. Sitting on more than 2.26 acres of pristine beachfront, this architectural gem blends modern design with natural beauty, offering over 13,000 total square feet of pure perfection. With 5 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, this home represents the ultimate expression of craftsmanship, serenity, and prestige. From the moment you approach the grand gated entrance, the feeling of exclusivity surrounds you. The clean lines, towering glass panels, and beautifully manicured landscaping create a dramatic first impression. The warm ocean breeze, the rustling of the palm trees, and the glistening sunlight reflecting off the ocean set the stage for a lifestyle reserved only for the few who truly appreciate the finest things in life. As we move toward the main entrance, you're greeted by a massive custom pivot door that opens into a double-height foyer, a vision of space, light, and modern artistry. Inside, every room flows effortlessly into the next, capturing both the vastness of the ocean and the intimacy of a personal retreat. The living room features soaring ceilings and panoramic glass walls that erase the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Natural light floods the space, illuminating exquisite finishes, hand-selected materials, and an atmosphere of refined calm. Next, we step into the kitchen, a culinary paradise designed for both professional chefs and passionate entertainers. With high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and a massive center island, every detail has been crafted to perfection. From sunrise breakfasts to evening dinners by the sea, every meal here feels like a celebration. The dining area, positioned beside full-length windows, opens directly to the terrace, where you can dine with the sound of the ocean waves as your soundtrack. Moving deeper into the home, each bedroom suite is designed as a private sanctuary. The master bedroom is a masterpiece on its own, expansive, peaceful, and breathtakingly elegant. Imagine waking up to the morning sun glistening over the Atlantic Ocean, or spending evenings watching the sunset paint the sky through floor-to-ceiling glass walls. With its private balcony, custom walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring marble finishes, freestanding tub, and ocean views, this master suite defines luxury living at its finest. The bathrooms throughout the estate continue the same theme: sleek, minimal, and timeless, featuring high-end fixtures, natural stone, and sophisticated lighting. Every detail here whispers quality, elegance, and tranquility. Step outside, and the magic continues. The expansive pool terrace invites you to unwind and take in the panoramic ocean view. The Infinity Edge swimming pool seems to merge with the horizon, creating an endless reflection of the sea and sky. The outdoor lounge, sun deck, and alfresco dining area make this the perfect space for entertaining or simply enjoying the serenity of oceanfront living. The estate also includes a private gym, a club room, and a library, all designed with functionality and style in mind. Whether you want to work out with a view of the waves or relax with a favorite book, this home adapts perfectly to every lifestyle. The 4-car garage is spacious, modern, and built with the same precision as the rest of the property. Every corner of this mansion reflects unmatched attention to detail, from the lighting and textures to the seamless integration of nature and architecture. With its contemporary coastal design, open spaces, and resort-like atmosphere, this Vero Beach estate stands as one of the most exceptional homes in Florida's luxury market. At American Dream Mansions, we bring you the most extraordinary homes where luxury meets inspiration. From the grand design to the smallest detail, this oceanfront estate embodies everything we stand for: elegance, comfort, and dream living. If you love luxury homes, stunning architecture, and cinematic real estate tours, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more exclusive videos. Every week, we showcase the most beautiful mansions across the USA, homes that redefine what it means to live the dream. Thank you for watching this tour.